Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the blue screen on Windows 10 and 11. Here we are. I got different kinds of solutions and we start with the easiest one and then build up. If that doesn't work, you get like 7 more options. Simply restart your PC is the first one and then boot into a safe mode. Safe mode starts with Windows with minimal drivers and services, so it doesn't have high specs at the moment. The drivers can act normal. On Windows 10 and 11 you do the following. You hold the shift key and click on restart from the start menu, and after your PC restarts go to troubleshoot and then to advanced options and startup settings and then click restart. Once these systems restart, it's not a normal restart, select the safe mode or safe mode with networking, and once in safe mode check if it still occurs. If it doesn't, we can go to the next stage, and that's update or rollback drivers. Your drivers can be outdated or can be corrupted, and that's one of the most caused issues. If you have a really old PC, that could be the case. You have to update the drivers, and you can do that by press Win plus X and select Device Manager and look for devices with a yellow triangle. That's the indication of there's something wrong with it. Then right click on the device with the yellow triangle, select update driver and search automatically for updated driver software. After you updated it, please restart your PC, otherwise it won't work. Then rollback drivers. In device manager, right click the device, properties, driver tab and select rollback driver if available. And then use Windows Update as well to secure. Please make sure your Windows is up to date to the latest version, Windows 10 or 11. Then you have to check for the system updates. In the securities, go to settings, update and security, Windows Update and check for updates. Then we got another one, run the built-in troubleshooters. It has a tool specifically for these kinds of problems, and you can actually do it by run the memory diagnostic tool, press Win plus R and type the following command and then press enter. Select restart now and check for problems, and this will help you search for your ROM errors and notify you if any issues are found. So run the disk check tool, open command prompt admin by pressing Win plus X, then command prompt admin or Windows and then admin, and then type the following command and press enter. And this will check the main driver for errors and repair any detected issues. So that's another solution you could use if the ones above don't work. Check for malware. Malware could corrupt your system files, and that could also be a problem, and that's why I highly suggest to be up to date with your security and, for example, get a VPN, because this will help you defend your computer, be on another IP. The next one is check your hardware components, test your RAM, just like we did above. As you can see, shown in step 5, what I just showed you, and check your RAM for issues. And you can also use tools like this tool to check for issues on your drive. And disable fast startup, open control panel, power options, choose what the power buttons do. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable and uncheck turn on fast startup and click save changes. And then here are the last options. Perform system restore. If the screen started after recent changes like driver, try getting it back to the old version, because it could be that your driver is not strong enough for the newest updates. You have to get it back to the last version, and that's called a previous working state reverting. Type create a restore point in the search bar right here, select it at the system properties window, click system restore and follow the prompt to restore a point before the black screen or the blue screen appears. Perform a clean boot you can do as well, with only essential services running, not all the apps you installed. Press Win plus R, type this command and press enter. This is the one you have done before. And in the window of system configuration, go to the services tab, check hide all Microsoft service and then check disable. Then go to the startup tab, open task manager and disable all startup items. And then at the end, please restart your PC, otherwise it won't work. And the last one, if this all didn't work, all the 11 options not, then please reset or reinstall Windows and go to settings, update and security, recovery and reset PC. And for reinstall Windows could be a thing as well. Create a bootable USB drive using the Windows Media Creation tool and boot from the USB and follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall Windows. But that's actually all the options to get this blue screen away. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them below.